Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a tasty and flavorful summer weight loss lassi with homemade curd. Dahi or curd is an absolute must in your diet, especially in the summers. It helps those with constipation, acidity and gas in the summers. Try to use homemade curd as it has calcium, vitamin D, vitamin B along with vitamin B12 and essential fats. Dahi has good bacteria, also known as probiotic, which naturally occurs in the process of turning milk into curd. So make sure you set your curd at home to get the gut-friendly good bacteria. Dahi will help to reduce bloating, acidity issues and keeps your gut strong. I have already shared curd rice recipe which is a perfect meal for the summer. Links will be updated in the description box below, so please do check it out. Now the main ingredient I'm using in this recipe is one ripe mango. Mango season has started here in Kerala, so do expect more mango recipes. Now since the mango is really sweet, I'm not adding any extra sweetener in this recipe. Now to make this recipe, first you need to soak a half teaspoon basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds or sweet basil seeds or faluda seeds, in some water. Basil seeds are rich in iron, so highly beneficial if you have iron deficiency anemia. The antioxidants in basil seeds prevents free radical damage and reduce risk of cancer. Basil seeds increases body's immunity. The anti-inflammatory properties in basil seeds helps to reduce inflammation. They also helps to lower cholesterol and helps to keep the body cool in the summers. The next ingredient is garden fresh mint leaves. Mint leaves are an excellent summer herb as it helps to keep our body cool. I have already mentioned the health benefits of mint leaves in my spiced buttermilk recipe, so please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video. So for this recipe, I'm using a handful of fresh mint leaves which I had washed thoroughly. Add in the mint leaves into a blender. Add in the sliced mango pieces, half cup homemade curd which I had kept in the fridge, 1/4 cup water, or you can use ice cubes instead. Now blend all this on high speed for 1 minute or until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the thick mango mint lassi into a serving glass and top it with 2 teaspoons of soaked basil seeds and garnish it with a sprig of mint leaves. And my healthy and filling mango mint lassi is ready to serve. Have this as a mid-morning snack or as a post-afternoon snack. So guys, do try this simple, tasty and flavorful lassi and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to comment, like and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.